Okay, hello everybody. It's Alex Shevchenko here, and I'm here together with Marcelo, who is the one of the key developers in the Aurora project. We are welcoming everyone here, and this is the stream during which we are going to show you how the lottery for the SmartPad participants, for the SmartPad IDO participants, is going to work. Our goal today is actually to show you how the lottery execution, the lottery script is working. We're going to show you that the randomization that is super crucial for this type of scripts was we were getting it from the chain. And also we're actually going to run it. You are going to see the list of the winners of the lottery. And later on today, we're going to, like it's not us, it's SmartPad is going to use this data in order to do the transfer of the Aurora tokens to the winners of the lottery. So let's not keep it very, very complicated and super long. Marcela, can you share with us how the lottery script is looking like?
Yeah, sure. Let me, before sharing my screen to run actually the lottery itself, let me describe high level how it's gonna work. In the beginning of the process, before actually the IDO and SmartPad started, we made a smart contract, which I'm gonna show you, and we submitted the pre-commit of the seed we were going to use to seed our random number generator that we're going to use to select the winner. So today we are showing the seed. We are making sure that it matches the one we posted in the beginning before starting the IDO. And then we are actually running the script. There is two important things here. One is that we're only distributing tokens for users that passed KYC. So basically users that didn't pass KYC, we're going to return all the ETH they sent to SmartPad, but they are not going to get any Aurora. And users that didn't withdraw the token before this point, they are also not getting any Aurora, but they will get their ETH back to themselves.
So a quick question then to you, Marcelo, right now. Can people lose their money if they have been participating in SmartPad sale?
No way. There is no way to lose their money. Like they can not win the Aurora tokens, but if that's the case, they will get refunded all the ETH, no fee, nothing will be lost in this transaction. So everything will be returned. Yeah.
All good.
Okay, in this case, I will share my screen and start by showing the contract. So Alex, please confirm if you can see my...
Yeah, I can see, but it's pretty small.
Pretty small.
If you can, yeah, super cool.
Super cool. Okay. So first of all, this is the contract we were using this is the contract for L Aurora token, which is basically future Aurora. The token users were buying during the SmartPad sale, and that will be redeemed one by one with the Aurora token itself. We're only redeeming 1,000 tickets, and the rest will be refunded in ETH. Okay.
Yep.
So here we can see in the initialize function, it's not a constructor because this is an upgradable contract. We are not going to go into the details here, but we are open to share all this code if you have any questions. You can see that one of the parameters are the random seed commit. This is actually a pre-commit. It's not the seed itself. And we are saving this seed at random seed, random seed commit. Okay.
Okay.
So what's happening here is that we're using this script. This is the script fetch.js that will be computing for ourselves all the participants in the lottery and the winners in the lottery. Okay. And you can see, well, first we are loading the provider. This is actually a very nice example for technical people that want to interact with Aurora. I can also share the script with them if they're willing to. So here at this step, I'll describe this later. Let me go over this step. We're verifying the seed that we're using for the randomness. we load the random seed commit from chain. You can see this is like the ABI. This is a very short version of the ABI, which is all we need for this script. We have the random seed commit. We call this function and get the hash. And actually, Alex provided recently the seed. I was not even having this seed before, and this is the seed that we're using to populate the contract. And well, we create a SHA-256 of this seed and check that this match with the precommit. Okay, so if these steps pass.
Okay, so literally, what does it mean is that in the beginning, when the token was deployed, it was a random number commit that was uploaded there. And now the only way how so at that moment in time, this random number was already available to us, right? To Aurora Labs team. But we were not knowing how many participants are going to participate, who are going to participate in this. And right now we have only one option is to use this particular random number, not some kind of other that we can, tweak a little bit using the information about who have been participating. So we must use the same seed, which means that we are fully not controlling who are going to be the winners, right?
Yeah.
So these are going to be truly random people from the ones who have been participating in the SmartPad set.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Good.
So this is how. Well, let me I'll skip a bit, and then maybe if you have more question about the code itself, I can go over it. But I will skip up to this place. This is where we actually create the random number generator using this seed, and then this RNG, like random number generator, will be used to select the users that will be winning. You see that this is a list with all the users, and each user appears in this list, the number of time for the number of tickets they bought. Okay, so if a user bought 200 tickets, they will appear in this list 200 times, so they can win up to 200 times.
So if you have been buying multiple lottery tickets, you can win multiple Aurora tokens.
That's okay. Correct. That's correct. So one more thing. Well, this is how the list works, and we have a list. This was provided by also our lab team. The KYC list. So these are the users that actually passed KYC. So those are the only users that will be eligible for winning tokens. You can see here that we check that the user is in the KYC list before we add them to the lottery list. Otherwise, they will get refunded all their purchases, but they will not be winning any Aurora.
Okay. So only people who have passed KYC can win.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, it will be elected. Yeah. So with this said, do you want to discuss anything else about this script, Alex, or do you want to run?
I think it's super good. So we've gone through major points. Maybe just for the sake, in case everyone would like to take a look at this code, maybe you can slowly from the top to the bottom go over the code.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, it just can you go really up and then you just move it down. Yeah, so everyone can see and can then you can do it faster, I believe. So you are able to see everything that is in the code and be able to actually reproduce this if you would like to do it. I see that we have more than 250 people watching to us. Thank you very much for joining us. I'm super happy that you're interested in how the lottery is working. Let me actually answer you some questions that we have in the chat there. So the KYC deadline is already happened, right? So for this lottery, for the SmartPad lottery. So Marcella has the KYC list that was provided by our partner on Fido. And this is the most fresh list, right? So so in case you have been participating in the SmartPad sale but not passed KYC, unfortunately at this point in time, this means that you're going to lose the lottery. Another question is let me check. The question when the tokens are going to be transferred. The tokens are going to be transferred during TGE, which is going to happen in around 15 minutes from now, right? So it is 1300 UTC. So in about 1 hour, this is the moment when the tokens will start to be transferred. Please keep in mind that the transfers of the tokens, like it will be really hard to transfer to 1,000 people at the same time, right? This is impossible with the blockchain because there are different transactions. So SmartPad team was saying to us that their target that within 1 hour, everybody, all of the winners are going to receive the tokens, and all of the losers are going to receive the ETH back. So in about 50 minutes from now, for an additional hour after this, people are going to get refunds and Aurora tokens. The question: how many users have passed KYC? The information from the OnFIDA is that there were around 15,000 people who have been passing KYC. Unfortunately, we do not know the detailed results, so we do not know whether people were the same person was multiply passing the KYC. For example, for his Near account and for his Aurora account. But in total, there are more than 15,000 accounts that have been verified. Okay, so yes, and one minor comment for those of you who have been participating in Boca Chica sale, you still able to pass the KYC in case you bought some Aurora tokens from the Boca Chica sale, but please do it as fast as you can because this is a limited. The KYC process has its limits, right? In case you will not pass it, you are going to be refunded from Boca Chica. Okay, so Marcelo, let's run the script. Let's make sure that we are running exactly this script, and let's see what it's going to give to us.
Okay, let me increase the size. Can you see here? So I'm running this script, fetch.js. This script is actually pulling all the data from on-chain, all the participants, and then it will run the lottery. We will see the results. We can actually publish the results in a GIST on GitHub, so everyone has access.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
This is important here. You'll see this number have been decreasing, but this is the number of participants who have not been claimed their tokens. 3,800 participants. So well, they will not be eligible for participating, but this is the number of tokens, of tickets that have been claimed.
Okay.
This is the number of different participants. So we have the winner list here. Let me show you. So this is actually their final results. This is the address. This is how many tickets they have bought. This is with how many tickets they won. So for this address, they bought 2,400 tickets. They won 84 with 84. So this is the amount of Aurora tokens they get. And this is the amount of ETH they will get refunded.
Okay, well, can we actually run the script actually? Because this is or it is already this is generated. This is
this is the result. This is the result of it.
Okay.
This is the result of the lottery already. So
okay. And you already but when did you run the lottery script?
Right now, when I run node fetch
this fetch.js. Oh my gosh!
Yeah,
so fast.
Yeah, so fast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So can you open it and then scroll it slowly down? So we can see here that there is the big winner which won 80 on the top 84 times. It's just because this person purchased almost 2,500 tickets, right? So he got this 84 wins, and then there are people that got a smaller amount of wins. As you can see here, for example, this 0xe96D65EC7. This is the person who bought 321 lottery tickets, but unfortunately, this person was not passing the KYC. And because of this, he is not eligible for the Aurora tokens. So automatically, this person lost.
Yeah, they will. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yes. So this person will be refunded in full with all of the ether that he have been paying to SmartPad. And also interesting thing to take a look at just the person that is one above. You can see that this person purchased 329 tickets, and 8 out of which were the winning tickets. So the remaining amount of the money or the ether that needs to be refunded to this person is exactly equal to 321 tickets. So these two numbers are equal. Yeah. Okay, so maybe you can then scroll down.
Yeah, I can post these results online so people can access to them and can search for themselves.
Yes,
easily.
Yes.
Let's do this right now. I'll publish it on GitHub.
Yes, on this, maybe you can do it right now. So
yeah, exactly. Are you seeing my screen? Because I think it changed.
Yes, we're seeing it. We're seeing it.
The gist.github.
Yep. Yeah, we're seeing gist.github.
Lottery.
Yep.
Let me actually copy. Sorry. Okay, so we have the list here. I'm just copying this. I'll paste here. Okay. Secret.
Good.
Now let's make it public gist.
Yes.
And I'll share.
You can share the link with me, for example, in the Zoom chat, and then I will be sharing it with people.
Yeah, people will also be able to access it at gist.github.com/m4net because it's public. But anyway, let me share it in the chat so you can share it. So we will be distributing this soon. We will start just after we finish this stream, and everyone should have all their tokens like 1 hour at the most, I expect.
Yes. Okay. So that was it. I see some people are saying that something is not fair or something is not working that way. So as we said to everybody, people are able to take part and to buy multiple tickets. This was known from the very beginning. It just some people were buying more tickets than others. Somebody is asking the question, I bought only one ticket, what is the percentage to win? So as you can see, it was like 55,000 tickets that were bought.
50,
yeah, so 51,000 tickets claimed. So it's around 2% of the probability for you to win, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the winning probability, which is actually very small.
Yeah, around 2%. But
no,
but yeah,
0.002%. This is multiplied by 100 already. Yeah.
No, but we have 1,000 winners.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're right. Totally right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is not the computation. It's.
Yeah. Okay, so congratulations to all of the winners. Super sorry for the people who were not able to get it. As you can see, the probability is quite low. The distribution of the prizes is going to happen pretty shortly, again, you do not need to do anything, to get the ETH game and ETH back and get Aurora tokens in case you want it. So your everything is going just to be all of the tokens are just going to be distributed. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, everybody, and see you again in our updates and our alpha leaks that are going to be there on the YouTube tomorrow. Thank you very much. Goodbye.